Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling this cool looking truck. The one I have in my hands is 1/72 scale for those who are curious. We offer in many scales. Now this one's pre-assembled from the kit, and there will be two listings for this listing. The one with the covered and the one with the open bed. So we'll be assembling the open bed. And the concept is exactly the same. The only thing different is at the front of this covered version you have to glue that piece on. But I don't think I need to make a whole different video for that. It's simple enough. So watch this video for the assembly of the open bed and the covered versions of this kit, whichever one you get. So first of all, let's cut the sprues off these wheels, and I'll fast forward that part. Alright, so that is done. Next is this piece, but this piece we don't have to do anything. And the open bed, of course, we don't have to. For this though, this piece, you want to cut these screws here, as you can see. And then take that and cut it like that. There you go. That piece is free of the plastic supports and things. Last but not least, cut these sprues here, as you can see. And then next, there you go. So that concludes the cutting away. Now we need to glue together. So go ahead and put some glue here, here, and here. And those are the good spots to put the glue. Good contact points. And put that piece together. I use my fingers to hold all the sides, and then of course visually look around and make sure that the pieces come together nicely. The next part, of course, is go ahead and put some glue down here. Using this Loctite glue available for you can buy on their shop. And here put that piece like that. Then you can gently put that down there and let that dry. Now this piece, you pay attention, this is the one that goes up against the cab. This with these little, that's the tailgate. Put some glue here, 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 and here. Now if you were to put glue for the covered version, it's kind of hollow inside, so I put the glue on the very edge. But since this bed, it's all flat, you can just put glue wherever you wish, and then it will be fine. What's left is actually just the wheels, so turn it to the side, of course, and squeeze some glue there, there, and there. Just make sure that this axle goes into the center there. Same for that. Just get that axle into the center. And this one. Good. Now, do the other side here. Alright, that Loctite glue is almost out. Last but not least, put these wheels on. Right, then test how it goes. And that's assembled. There they are, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you for watching.